Pick the size most suitable for the ampule you are going to open, 1 to 10 milliliters or 15 to 25 milliliters. Place the AmpSnap over the tip of the glass ampoule. Push the AmpSnap down until it stops. Both sides of the product can be used. Pick the side that is most suitable for your ampule. Hold the ampule with one hand and the AmpSnap with the glass tip inside with the other hand. With a firm grip, snap the tip of the ampule away from you. When you have broken the tip of the ampule off, you should have a clean cut of the ampule. The tip of the glass ampule is now encapsulated inside the AmpSnap. Do not try to remove the glass tip from the AmpSnap. Dispose the AmpSnap with the glass in a sharp container box or follow your local guidelines.